how are you? So today's video is super laid back, exciting at the same time. I am going to be sharing a banana bread with mango. I think I'm gonna add mango to it or guava. I'm still not sure. And I am gonna be going to Whole Foods and I'm gonna be picking up what I'm gonna be using for the ingredients and also a few more things because I have nothing on my fridge. Literally, I have to go get some food. And by the way, this video today is being sponsored by Lotus. If you guys have not checked them out, I am going to be linking them down below. I have worked with them in the past and I'm very excited about this video today. So there are several ways in which you can carry the Lotus bags. I personally just like to put them inside the cart, and then I put everything inside the cart as well, everything that I'm gonna get, and then once I get to checkout, I like to spread the bags because they have rods that are tapered for a perfect fit. The Lotus trolley bags come with 4 bags. My favorite one is the insulated bag because it can keep hot or cold foods at the perfect temperature for up to 2 to 4 hours. Then they have one which I love because you can put eggs in this one, and it also has wine pockets. The trolley bags are also machine washable, they're durable, they fit standard US grocery carts, can be used as a set or individually, and most importantly, it keeps everything organized. Then they have this darker blue one which I really love, and it has a pocket so that you can put small items in there. I also take advantage of the produce bags which are sold separately. They are durable, they are machine washable, and they keep food fresh. You can also use them in the house if you want to put anything inside the washer that is sensitive. These are perfect for that. Then they also have the bags that have the mesh bottoms, and these are great because they allow air to be filtered into the bag, so it helps keep food fresh. So I'm gonna let you guys watch what I'm gonna get, and then stick around because I'm gonna be showing you the easiest and most delicious recipe for banana bread and also for a mango butter. So I'm going to be putting everything away now, and then tomorrow I am going to be making that banana bread, and most likely I'm going to be doing a mango butter because I think that's different, and oh my god, it sounds so good. So I'll show you guys what that recipe is. So tomorrow morning we're going to be doing that. So